Well, it's been a long time since I've visited this. Maybe I'll do a little bit on the coarse side. Just got this edge over here. It seems to be up. Okay. Okay, and this surface here is at a 0. Close enough. There's 6, 7. No, 7 thousandths there. That's close enough to 0. There's 5, 6. There's 6.5. Okay, here we go. I got this tightened up. I got this, the 5/8 collet. I got a piece of material that is a, actually it's like a gauge, a test gauge. It's exactly 5/8. I just tightened that up by hand. I used this chuck wrench here for some leverage on this end. And I did the best I could with the wheel there. I'm definitely going to need a Tommy bars on there. But this is, let me get this steady. Now I can move that in, but I'm hitting it hard. If I had some Tommy bars on the other end, that thing wouldn't budge. And I was doing some heavy strikes there. If that was softer material, you could have if that was softer material, you could probably machine it. But this is hardened and ground. So let's try the opposite there. Let's try loosening it. Okay, here's a 5-inch piece of gauge. I mean, it's hardened and ground 5/8. And if I whack that thing really hard with this, I can move it in. So that's, you know, it's not as tight as it would ideal. But I basically put my chuck wrench in here for some leverage and reached over here and tightened up that wheel. Then I decided to put it in gear and crank on that wheel. Now I need to put a couple Tommy bars in here, at least one. I think 2 would be better. And I think that would be a foolproof system. Now let's see about removing it. So, okay, removing it, loosening it is no problem. Where's my beater at? I'm going to come back here and hit on that. And you know, that's free. I'm trying to okay, so that's all the way sucked in, and then just a little shot from back there. It's fine. So let's try the opposite. There's our 5/8. Okay, so now I'm gonna okay, I got more than enough purchase on the so let's watch this draw in. Let's see, I'll get you right there. Okay, that's about as much as I can do without a cheater bar. Yeah, there's a little more. So I don't know if that sucked in for you or not. Yeah, I'm driving it in a little bit. I'm also hitting it pretty hard. So let's release it. Okay. Okay, working out all the logistics is another thing. So there I'm wedged in there, taper pin, and then knock that loose. I got a little dump there, and I guess that's the this just does something to me physically. This feeling just does something to me physically. I swear to God. The first time I did this, I was shocked. It was what my body did. I still get it. God, that's beautiful. Let's do the coarse side. Yeah, if you've never done this before, in my opinion, this is an incredible experience. And I might be really weird. But there is the tapered, let me get the sweat off of me here. Yeah, it's only 80 degrees in here. There is the drawbar for the Pratt & Whitney collet system. Need to get some Tommy bars on that, and I think this thing is going to be really good to go. I'm probably going to sell my collet chuck. Now granted, I don't have all the sizes that I have for my 5C collet chuck, but you know what, I never checked run out on this. We'll be back. There's 2.5. There's a half. Almost a 0. I'd say 2 1/4 thousandths. I want to check it with the last word. Yeah, we're still 2 1/2. Okay, so there's could that be part 4? Could that be part 4 of the Pratt & Whitney? Put this in back here. I'm gonna use a mini thumper. Can't do nothing with the mini thumper. I can push it in there. Okay guys, I'm probably going to remake that flanged bushing. I'm definitely going to make a lock nut or a lock nut. See, a lock nut, and then there's the other kind of nut that backs up a nut. And I'm going to put some good size and we're going to put at least a 3/8 inch Tommy bar in that wheel so I can crank that thing down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, tell a buddy, bring a friend. Thanks again. Yeah, I like that.